Good morning and welcome to BMW Westland. My name is Curtis and I'll be taking you through one of our exciting features on our vehicles. Today we'll be doing our Park Assist feature for those tight spots that you go through that you're a little bit unsure about parking. Don't worry, the BMW vehicle will do the parking for you. Okay guys, so in order to do the BMW Park Assist, the vehicle itself has certain prerequisites that it needs in order to complete the maneuver. Firstly, there has to be a driver sitting in the driver's seat. Secondly, the driver has to have their safety belt on. Safety first. And thirdly, the Park Assist feature has to be switched on inside of the vehicle. That can be done through the parking menu on the screen. And then lastly, the indicator of the vehicle needs to be engaged in order for the vehicle to know that you would like to turn in and complete a parking maneuver. So I'll switch the indicator on as well. And guys, please remember, a very important part of this maneuver is to observe your surroundings as this is taking place, and please intervene if necessary. Now that we found a parking space to park into, the next steps is quite simple. All you need to do is select the parking symbol on the touchscreen display. The vehicle will then proceed to park the vehicle, which then I will take my hands and feet off everything. The vehicle will complete the full parking maneuver, including as to change the gears from drive to reverse as much as needed as to fit into the parking bay.